Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here, hope you're all doing well. So today we are going to be planting some Photinia Red Robins. The day is beautiful, the sun is shining, it's already like 18 degrees out there, which is absolutely perfect. So we're going to head to the nursery, get some bits that I need. Customers already got the Photinia Red Robins, which is fantastic, and just need some compost. So let's get cracking, guys. Arrived at Dobby's Garden Centre. A multi-purpose today, so we've got lots of different ones here. Traditional compost, the multi-purpose here. I'm probably just going to go with, you've got a Westlands one or you've got the Dobby's Own brand. I'll give the Dobby's Own brand one a go. I mean, it's all the same really, to be honest. They're all peat free and stuff like that now. Right, let me go and grab a trolley. Sorry about the mess of my van, guys. Everything keeps falling out. It's a new van, so I haven't really put everything in the right places yet. Oh! Let's go. So guys, these are the Photinias that are going in. So Big Hazel was here before. Still a bit of stump I'm just removing there. But these are going to go in here. 5 glorious Photinias at the price of £130 each, which is quite good, especially if they've been trained in this way. But let me just show you one magnificent. Just look at that, guys. California lilac ceanothus. Stunning. It's just one for the bees. Yeah, he's getting on alright, I think. I think so, yeah. No, I think he's happy with it. Right. Okay, so where this marker is, there's a hydrant on the other side. We're worried that there might be a pipe that comes through, so we're gonna, I don't know what we're doing, if I'm honest with you. Nobody knows. Oh, where's the hydrant?
In line with my face.
In line with your face. So you're basically, so this is where the cone is pretty much. Well, I moved that out of the way, roughly, yeah?
Yeah, you see that crack on the those two lintels?
Yeah, there.
It's about
basically there, yeah?
It's there.
Well, the only thing I can do is I can dig just slowly in that position and see what we get.
Yeah.
In case there could be, if there is a pipe there, then...
I don't know what it is.
We're digging all the holes first, and then we're going to put all the plants in, check they're all in the right place, and then we're going to plant them.
He said the easiest way to get all your rubbish is in the...
Put this in. My garden's so noisy. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Blowing. What were you blowing this time of year anyway? Get out your little handheld. We have dug 4 holes. Well, I've dug 4 holes. Colin has supported me. And then one more hole to dig there, and then it's time to get them planted. So they'll be just 6 foot just above the fence, and then these will grow a foot a year, so no problem at all there. It'll look pretty good. Found a bit of treasure. What is it? Oh, just a bit of clay. bit of pot, mate.
Drink, don't forget to keep hydrated when you're doing this heavy work.
Yeah, you sitting on a deck chair.
Yeah.
Right. So we're going to just position these so that we know they're in the right place. Otherwise Colin would tell me off. It's actually always quite nice to have the customer here because they can tell you if they don't like it or if they're happy with it. And they're all sitting just below at the minute. Oh. Right, so these will grow about a foot a year, and then eventually they'll be up here covering areas. They're just sitting below the ground level at the minute because we need to add some compost underneath and on the sides just to bring them up a little bit, and then we'll add a bit of the old soil on top just to stabilise it, and then yeah, let's get planting. Come on, I need you. Yeah, gonna need it. And of course, Colin, always use an axe to open your bag of compost.
Freshly sharpened ones.
I know that, it's nice that.
You now got blunt again.
Well, it's blunt, it's still got a bit of an edge on it, isn't it?
No.
Pack that down.
You need these picks and things like that anymore?
No, you can get rid of them.
Probably not.
All done with them. Right, I'm just going to tease the roots now a little bit. And then always stand back and have a look to see if it's in the right position. I'll just ask Colin. How's that looking now, Colin?
Height-wise?
Is it alright? Or does it need to come up a little bit more?
Up a little bit more, yeah.
Yeah. Get on with some good quality stuff then. Yeah, that's good. Now we're talking. So, all similar heights now. But I might go a little bit more with this one because I want to raise it up a tad, so when I put my soil underneath these ones, they're not then too high. Excuse me, mate, can you keep it down in there?
Sorry. Back over the road, it's echoing.
He's coming up a little bit more because these are going to have some underneath it as well, aren't they? So I want to raise him up a tad. He's slightly higher, but he's okay. He's not. We can just add soil underneath it.
Well, that's. Oh, there's a spade over there. That's the one.
Yeah, that's all right. Okay, just got to add a bit more in there just so he's.
Definitely male then.
Sorry?
Definitely. Bought another artificial bay tree to go at the right hand side of the garage because the other one felt a bit.
Oh yeah.
And then we realised that we were spending more money on artificial ones than if we'd bought some of these.
Yeah.
We said we should have bought a load of these.
Yeah.
There's your water there.
Cheers, mate. Thank you, sir. Thank you kindly.
It's got the old white flowers on it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Already.
Got to make sure they're all facing the right way.
Put a bucket of water on each one of them.
Yeah,
night.
before we put the soil around it, we'll just give them a.
So I pulled the hose out, didn't I?
Probably better for the hose, isn't it? Laddie noisy gardeners. Can't you see I'm trying to do a video? Right, they're all in now. We'll give them a little bit of a soak, and then I'll fill them in with some compost, and Colin will tell me if they're straight or not. And that'll be all right, mate. And then I can get the compost in around it, and then we can just manoeuvre it and poke it down as it goes.
That's straight.
Don't know, your head's in the way. That looks pretty good to me.
That one's working.
Yeah, I've got a spade, mate. To be honest, as you're not a qualified gardener, you should be using this.
Put that back, that's what we think of poo up here.
Oh, is it?
That's why is it there?
With the antiseptic bucket.
Well, I wouldn't say it's antiseptic. It's a bucket you don't really want to touch. You have to tell Olivia to put that down, not on the beach.
Yeah. Can't even get a level on this anyway, mate. Lovely, good stuff, mate. Spot on that.
Junk. Challenge.
Yeah. Get a bit more compost in there now, mate, that one.
Then others, chop them up.
Yeah, just put a load of compost in there, and then we can then just pat them down and...
Get one open over there.
Yeah. Gonna need another one over here, isn't we?
Yeah, just more over by the back of the garage wall there. Done?
Yeah. You shouldn't need to put the stakes in these because they're right protected anyway.
Yeah.
You don't get any winds through here, do you?
I was thinking if they do go anywhere, I'll put a wire in front of that, off of this arris rail and that arris rail,
Oh yeah.
and then I can go across to the picket fence,
Oh, that's a good idea.
stop them falling forward. If I have to, I can go straight backwards to the arris rail as well.
Yeah. Might need another.
I can't think they're going to be getting windy or anything. We need to have a bag.
I think so, yeah, just to top it up, just to give them some extra. Can't be that much to blow, is there? That's a blower going now, though. Yeah. You can tell the blower it's got more of a sort of a drum vibration, where the other one's got more of a ring.
That's just he's keeping the tool going all the time and
Convinced he's working.
hours and hours.
Right, push that nice down and cut that. Right, and we'll give it a good old soaky wokey.
Kim's new rake could come into effect here.
Oh yeah.
He's so thrilled.
So how was your first ever appearance on a YouTube video, Colin?
I don't know, I haven't seen it yet. A bit nerve-wracking, I must admit.
I can make you look 20 years younger.
I mean, well, that'd be handy. But then I'd be doing something else 20 years ago.
Yeah. Got that rake again?
You see, yep. You seem to have
Kim's rake. You can make sure that's on the video, the Kim's rake.
yeah, called Kim's rake.
Kim's rake. Yeah. Just to neaten it up a little bit, really.
That's good for spreading shingle around.
Yeah.
And push with it as well, but
Yeah.
flipping it over it.
A bit like small landscaping rake, isn't it, really?
I don't know. I just thought that was a solid rake.
Yeah. I think any
good for picking leaves up though.
I think any Wolf Garden tools are, you know, they're pretty solid tools.
Yeah, they are. You look at others for sale and you think they are definitely better quality.
Yeah. There's a finish, guys. 5 Photinias planted. With a little help from Colin. Thanks for watching.
Rescue gardens or whatever they call it.
Well, they might hire you to, yeah, that's the thing, isn't it?
That bloke who drives the mad. His birds and all this shit. Colin Tishmore.
Alan Titchmarsh.
Really do, whatever.
He might hire you.
You might, mightn't he?
You might have said, I've seen that, Colin.
Spirit level.
Yeah, and his axe.
Bad stuff.
Right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, really appreciate it. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed the content, consider liking and subscribing. Big thanks to Colin as well. Give us a wave, Colin. Cheers, guys. Catch you in the next one.